everybody, this is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Check out our showroom floor. Do you know that we have over 75 new 2024 and 2025 models here just waiting to be ridden? Why don't you come in and take a test ride today? And also don't forget to check out our financing options that we have. We can make sure that we have a bike for everybody.
Hey everyone, this is Jeff here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, coming to you from our service department. This Saturday, the 22nd of February, we've got our Master Tech Joe going to be working on a 2025 touring motorcycle, adding on to a Stage 2 build on the floor. So come down, bring your friends, grab a cocktail, hang out with us and watch Joe and learn a little bit about the inside of the motor. The cool thing that we've also got going on is that we're doing 15% off parts and labor for this whole entire month on any stage kit. So come down, take advantage, and have one of our amazing technicians install that for you here at the dealership.